Hello, I'm Mirsada, one of the store managers.
So what is new in the world of mom and baby?
I'm a mom of 3 girls actually, and with my experience, I really know how much all this is needed. The one that I'm very excited is like postpartum kit that gets everything for mommy. These ice pads, that they are wonderful, and I'm sure all moms know that how much they need it. So we have that available. We have also the whole kit.
So pretty much everything you need.
Yes.
If you're a mom having a vaginal birth and trying to recover from that.
Exactly.
And it says, trust us. Your vagina will thank you.
When it comes to baby, the Frida baby, we also have some really great stuff. But 2 most exciting things, Breathe Frida, which is really great stuff for little ones. So these wipes could be like, to use, everywhere on their chest, nose, also their feet, to rub and kind of give that comfort that they need. The second items are these cool pads that they are now available. They are great for fever. You could, just apply them. No mess, very easy. While my kids were growing up, these were basically available. My kids loved it because they were just like with these little stickers. They was fun. Even my little one, she just wanted, even when she was not sick, she would pretend to be sick. So she would, get the sticker. So I'm very excited that we got these, now in stock here and with Frida. Besides that, I am very excited to let everyone know that Mostella is back. For a while, we were out on this product and we did not know, are we gonna get it back? Shampoo, foam, actually this one is great for cradle cap. This is the first item that we actually have as a shampoo for cradle cap. We had customers ask many times about this. I'm so glad that now it's provided by Mostella. I really worked hard with our buyers to get a selection that is gonna both help moms but also be gifted easy.